Dili na ma. Kasi man na.
Kani bang engineering ba? Ug dili pa ni siya maka-nosebleed. Daghan yun kaayong mga ngayani. Hello viewers and followers!
Despite daghan jud kaayong mga nga na ay engineer before sa ilahang name. Pero lisod kayo no, kung tanan na lang engineer, magunsa naman ta. Who is going to do the menial work? Kung wala ang mga labor o kaha ang mga construction worker, kinsa man ang mo-realize sa ilang mga plano?
And so the question rings again, who is going to do the dirty job?
So miingon ta, hashtag, menial man, marangal naman.
So whatever job we do, as long as we give it our best shot, then it's okay. This is, by the way, the functional riprap located along the National Highway in Barangay Palo of Luay.